Marble Floor Cleaning Wimbledon by Fabritech Tile Care. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. We're going to delve into the world of marble floor cleaning. So, if you're looking to restore the lustrous appeal of your marble floors, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Have you ever noticed that no matter how much you clean your marble floors, they just don't seem to shine as they used to? Well, the truth is, marble floors require specialized care and attention to maintain the natural beauty. Using the wrong cleaning methods or products can actually damage the marble, causing it to lose its charm. Our team at Fabritech Tile Care specializes in marble floor cleaning in Wimbledon. We have the knowledge, expertise, and state-of-the-art equipment to bring back the shine to your marble floors. With our proven cleaning process, we ensure that your marble floors are not only cleaned but also well maintained. If you want your marble floors to shine like new again, it's time to take action. Contact Fabritech Tile Care today on 01784 775813 or visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk and let us work our magic. Don't settle for dull floors when you can have stunning marble floors that make a statement. Click the link in the description below to book your appointment now.